Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Harry Potter. We split our video into 3 parts: basic sketching, outline and coloring. You can skip to the part which you like to see. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Draw a line near bottom of the circle. This line marks the lower eye line. Complete the head structure with slightly squished at the bottom. Draw another line to mark the eye size. Draw ears. The lines which we drew marks the size of ears. Draw eyes. Let's draw highlights with small circles. One at the top and one at the bottom. Draw eyebrows. Let's draw eyeglass. Draw nose and lips. Draw scar for Harry Potter. Draw hair. Draw a basic body shape. Draw a rectangle of the size same as head. Then split it into 2 as upper body and lower body. Draw a basic leg shape. Draw collar and tie. Draw right hand holding magic wand. Draw coat. Draw left hand. Draw some wrinkles in the dress. Draw shoes and detail the pants. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. We post a video daily. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.